Hello everyone, this is Help Tech and we are back with another how-to video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of your Vanguard account. Without further delay, let's get right into it. First of all, tap on the Vanguard app on your mobile phone. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines that can be seen at the top left corner of your screen. And then tap on the very last option that says go to vanguard.com. Now scroll down and you'll be able to see an option that says forgot your username or password. Tap on it. Vanguard will then ask you to fill in some of your details such as your first name, last four of your SSN, date of birth and zip code. Fill in all the details required by the app in order to reset your password. If necessary, follow the further instructions that will be provided by the app, and then you'll finally be able to reset your password and create a new one. You'll then be able to access the account using the newly created password. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If so, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.